GTT is a French engineering company which employs today about 400 people, mainly engineers. We are located near Paris, about 30 kilometers west of Paris. And the company is the result of the merger of two small engineering companies in 1994, French companies, which were Gas Transport on one side and Technigas on the other side, who both developed on their own technology, and those technologies now have been incorporated into a single company called GTT. And since 1994, GTT has developed LNG containment technologies, low pressure containment technologies, which are mainly used today on about two-thirds, a little bit more than two-thirds of the LNG carrier fleets in the world. But GTT is also providing those technologies and this knowledge for other applications like large land storage tanks. But also now, since several years, we are developing solutions for applying those technologies, those LNG containment technologies for small-scale LNG, so retail LNG, redistribution of LNG to islands, to industrial plants, or to ports for bunkering. And also we design solutions for LNG fuel tanks, which will probably in the future be more largely adopted by ship owners to comply with SOx and NOx reduction, new regulations from IMO. And this LNG, if indeed it proves to be more economical, more competitive than other fuels, will probably be largely adopted. And then we believe GTT has a role to play in this and can get a large market share since many of these shipbuilders are already licensed by GTT. We are currently in a major evolution of the company as we are growing quite fast due to this demand of LNG carriers, FLNG, FSRUs, etc. So of course we are following that market and our clients. We've been introduced to the French stock exchange earlier this year, so this was already a big milestone for GTT, a big change. And of course the next milestones are really to successfully complete the first project we will have for LNG fuel ships and for bunker vessel. So we currently have on the drawing board for two projects in execution, one for a large new ferry in France and one bunker vessel in Netherlands. And those projects are key projects and really big milestone for GTT because they really mark a new era for the Mark technology and the NO96 technology, which are the two main products that we are developing and we are engineering. So we will work probably the same way as we have been working until now, meaning we will provide all design engineering services for the containment system, but also for the system around the containment system, meaning the bunkering operation, bunkering system, loading arm, unloading arm, bunker vessel design. We've been involved in designing small ships. We are still involved in providing solutions for ship designers, for shipyards, for ship owners. We are discussing upstream with ship owners who wants to know a little bit better about our technology and be able to compare them with other alternatives, which could be scrubbers, running on gas oil, methanol, using other LNG storage technologies. So we are helping the markets to better know about LNG itself and about the solutions that we can provide to them. So our message to our existing and prospective clients is that, first, GTT has a huge track record in terms of transporting LNG at sea. And we want to capitalize and use this know-how and this experience to provide really well-adapted solutions for those ship owners for whom fuel is a burden and is not a source of profit. While for LNG carriers operator, of course, that's a completely opposite. LNG is a cargo, and that's with LNG that's making money. While a container ship operator is losing money with fuel, and he wants to minimize the burden. And GTT technologies are quite interesting because they are very compact, very light, and so they can provide quite efficient solutions to use LNG in an economical way. Well, I think there is a momentum which is being created around LNG as fuel. Here in Posidonia, we are mainly addressing the shipping industry in general, so all segments of the shipping industry. For us here in GTT, being the first time attending and having a booth in Posidonia is a big success, and we liked it very much. At least so far. It's not finished yet, but we have had a lot of contacts, a lot of interest. We know that in Mediterranean area things are moving fast as well. Greek owners are controlling nearly a big share of the overall merchant ships fleet, so they are key potential clients for us. And our message to the shipping community is LNG as fuel is coming, technologies are there, be confident, things will move, there will be LNG available. At which price is not very clear yet, but LNG will be used as fuel, as for sure. It has probably been a little bit oversold, and maybe some people are over-optimistic. But LNG will be a very competitive alternative to the other alternatives, to the other solutions. So on GTT side, we are very confident on our capabilities to provide solutions, and people must not be shy and must contact us, and we can discuss around their subjects, their projects, and what they want to do.